Hello everyone, it is Mark Berman from TVMI. It is Tuesday, December 9th, and I would like to welcome you back to our daily video cast. Sadly, I must begin today with news on the passing of a former child star. His name is Ken Weatherwax. He is remembered for playing Pugsley Addams on the original sitcom The Addams Family in the 1960s, and he died on Sunday at the age of 59 due to a heart attack. Now, after The Addams Family ended, Ken Weatherwax returned to the role of Pugsley in the animated version of the sitcom in 1973, and then he had appeared on camera again as Pugsley in a 1977 made-for-television movie called Halloween with the New Addams Family. Outside of that, Ken Weatherwax worked behind the scenes as a grip on a number of Hollywood productions, and here is something about the Addams Family that might surprise you. Originally, it aired for only 2 seasons, from 1964 to 1966 on ABC. This was the same time frame that the Munsters aired on CBS, so they only aired for 2 seasons, but both comedies have come back in many different variations, and they remain a huge small screen presence in the halls of television history. Rest in peace, Ken Weatherwax. Heading over to FXX, the cable network has announced a renewal of its comedy, The League, for a 7th season. However, this will be the final season of The League. Initially, it debuted on FX on October 29th, 2009. It moved to FXX to help launch that network in the fall of 2013. It will return in 2015 for 13 final episodes that will bring the total episode tally of The League to 84. Over at TNT, its new scripted drama, The Librarians, based on the movie franchise, debuted this past Sunday with a 2-hour installment, and it averaged, for its single telecast, 5.4 million viewers. If you factor in a repeat, it rose to 7.3 million viewers. And TNT is reporting that its performance among adults 25 to 54, including the encore, was 2.9 million. And that makes The Librarians the most watched new scripted series debut on basic cable this year to date in that demographic. If you happen to be a fan of Knots Landing, and you know by now that I certainly am, there will be a reunion on this coming Thursday's edition of Home and Family on Hallmark Channel. It airs from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and returning to talk about Knots Landing will be Michelle Lee, Joan Van Ark, Donna Mills, Ted Shackelford, and Kevin Dobson. Every time I think of Knots Landing, I think to myself that I truly miss that style of storytelling. There's nothing else like it at the moment. In the world of social media, not surprisingly, Peter Pan Live on NBC led the Twitter usage tallies based on the data from Nielsen regarding Twitter for the week of December 1st. I have more specifics for you on Twitter usage for that week in today's newsletter and at our website. Coming up on the air tonight is the annual holiday classic of classic, that's classic twice, animated Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer on CBS, which always generates an audience. My prediction is we'll probably bring in about 11 million viewers and a 3 rating in adults 18 to 49, if not higher. My friend and my colleague, Ed Martin, wrote a column talking about the history of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, which I have a link for you to see in today's newsletter. And coming up at 10 o'clock on FX is the series finale of the highly touted Sons of Anarchy, which is ending its run after 7 seasons. Today in TV history, let's go back to this day in 1965. We had the debut of A Charlie Brown Christmas, which makes it 49 years old, and no holiday season is complete without A Charlie Brown Christmas. That is our daily videocast from TVMI on this very wet 9th day of December. I thank you for joining me, and I will see you back tomorrow. Have a great day.